Isn't it, Amna?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Today she will assign the assembly for tomorrow's session, and after that we can do that, Imran. Okay. Fatiha, are you there? Good morning, Fatiha.
But ma'am,
But what?
tomorrow
Ah, tell me what.
tomorrow I not to go back to UAE on Friday
So it's okay,
because
dear. No worry,
you're not
don't
gonna
worry.
get it.
It's okay, be cool. So
Maybe
you
I'll
want to
go in the
join me?
night, not in the
Today,
morning.
there is an assembly is conducting of non-foundation team, like the FY students. So,
Yeah, I know.
yeah. So you want to join that assembly. So you have to join directly to your class. It's in the P2 time. So your teacher will come and let you into the uh, what
Which
auditorium.
class?
No, no, nothing. Today we will have a what the foundation assembly. Okay, so everyone join there. Your teacher will inform you which time, when is that. Okay, and, your teacher means the second period. Who is joining?
Wait a
Which is your
minute, ma'am.
second period? P2 is,
Can I just go wake up my little sister?
yeah, yeah. So everyone should join there. So normally you have to join to your class, your respective classes, and join the assembly. It's mandatory for because it's our school program. So no one escape from this program. It's our school program. It's our duty to make the programs good. Okay. Yeah, you can do your details.
Yes! Finally!
Yeah, fine. Yes,
Okay,
ask.
this is. How do you call a cow with no legs? A cow with no legs.
Mm.
No, it isn't the answer. How do you call a
What
cow
is
with
it?
no legs? As a still tell it, guess. Yes?
Legless cow.
No, it is so easy.
Is it ground beef?
Yes.
Eh,
What is that, Adi? I didn't get.
ground beef because the
Oh,
cow is beef, right? Without the legs, it's on the ground, so ground beef.
okay. Yeah, well said, Adi. Yeah, please.
Wait.
That's
I'm trying to find a
right.
riddle. I'm trying
Yeah,
to
of
find a
course, of
riddle.
course. You can.
Uh,
Ma'am,
Yeah, just
uh,
just a minute, Amna. He wanna ask one more. Only one. Okay.
okay.
it's so it's so hard to find. Uh, there's all riddles, but you're not coming the answer.
Search like that. Answer. Needed.
Once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in what 1,000 years. What am I?
I already heard that before.
Oh ma, come on. Okay. The more of me that you take, the more you will have left behind. What am I?
A hole.
No,
Steps.
no. Okay.
Could you tell the
Footprints.
question again? Tell the question.
Yeah.
Can you tell the question again?
It was footsteps. Okay, this is a hard one. This is a hard one. I connect to be other than what am I? No, no. This is a broken one.
Ibrahim Fatiha, please.
Uh,
Um.
Turn on your camera.
Yeah, ma'am, could you wait?
Where is your uniform, Ishan? Hmm. You should buy a uniform. It's not good. No, no, no. This is not a correct question. Your shot should be appear in the screen. Okay.
Oh, this
Escape
I
from that.
in. Oh, look, this. Oh, no, this
Hadi,
is
you
a
have to
broken
sit
one.
properly. You have to
Ma'am,
This
can I do
correct
one?
it.
Can I say one activity?
Okay, Imran. Okay.
oh, yeah, I know. What vehicle is speed then same forward and backward?
That's why you're taking this much of.
W.
Look at this. Yes. Amna, she is.
They're supposed to act like these. Act
Wow,
like
why
these
is it a
animals. Speed
lion?
and
So
turn on.
scary.
Imran, act as a parrot.
Why?
That's
Why
how
is
you're
it?
supposed to do
Yeah,
it.
it's for all students. Yes, but first you, Imran.
Why me? Why me?
Everyone will do the same. Not the
Why
same.
not me first? I don't want to be first.
When who is ready to see? Hadi, you ready?
Ishan, are you ready? Okay.
Okay.
If you, the map have to do it also.
Act as a parrot.
Close, just close.
We don't have time.
Yay! No more parrots.
Can I do this tomorrow instead, ma'am?
Okay.
But I'm not gonna be there tomorrow because I have to go to the airport to go back to
Amna, you have to
UAE.
schedule tomorrow's assembly also. So come on fast.
Okay.
Just select
Skatoot.
for the
Tomorrow we have assembly.
thought and thought for the day.
News
No.
reading is News reading is Hadi, and thought for the day is Ishan.
No.
Riddles Ibrahim.
No!
Hmm.
Why? I want to be the
You're not there
riddle.
tomorrow, are you?
Can I be two
It's for
times?
tomorrow.
It's for tomorrow, Imran.
For
Ugh.
tomorrow?
Yeah, Friday.
Yeah. And
Yeah, I
Fatiha,
think
you're
good.
the word of the day.
Can I choose?
No. You can't put.
Okay.
So I hope it's clear. Hadi, Ibrahim, Ishan,
And
Fatiha.
how should I make the presentation?
Do I have to be news reading?
Just go and check. You will get lot of thoughts. Just pick anyone
Let's
and put
start off
it
the
in the
day
Canva.
and do it.
It's easy. Amna, if you get any time, just sit with Ishan and you just show that also. Okay. Imran.
Yeah. Please, I want to still be the riddles. And I want to be the class leader. I want to be the class
Inshallah,
leader.
Monday will select again the class leader. So
Tomorrow is the
Uh,
last day of me being
yeah,
class leader.
yes. Amna will be the last.
just you
So we are
wait.
going to have a special last day.
Hmm.
I'm gonna be the class leader. Class leader. Then you're gonna be so sorry. Good
Okay.
morning, sir.
Bye, everyone. Have a great.
Hi everyone, good morning.